was misunderstood. Honey, that's a story for the neighborhood. You put a single coin inside a digital vault. Now you're looking at me like it's all my fault. Ha! You must be new to this game, 'cause every time the ending is the same. Go on and fly, baby, reach for the stars. Go tell your story in a million bars. But there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so don't you even try. Oh, gravity,
pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. All the believers, they're holding on tight, staring at the green with all of their might. The chart looks like a supernova in the sky, a beautiful explosion, but we all know why. It's the final flash before it fades to black. A one-way ticket and there's no coming back. No, 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 baby, put on a show. Go on and glow, baby, everybody knows that there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so wave it all goodbye. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. What goes up?
Must come down.
Yeah, what goes up?
Must come down.
Oh, I feel it pulling down, 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 down. Oh, that sweet, sweet gravity.
Alright, place your bets, folks. I already know my hand. They're going all in on a pocket full of air, a flashy press release and a wing and a prayer. Think they got a royal flush, a can't miss thing, pushing that stock up, listen to the choir sing. But I'm on my second beer, ain't even worried none. This high stakes gamble's already been won. Go on and push your chips, I kinda love the show. Higher and higher, baby, let the good times roll. But every party's got an ending when the music's thin. That's when they all realize the trouble they're in. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. Everybody's scared of seeing red on the screen. To me that color's the prettiest I've ever seen. 'Cause I don't need a rocket, I don't need a peak. My bread and butter is a company that's looking weak. The lower that it goes, the bigger that I grin. watching all my pretty little winnings rolling in. Go on and cheer it on, I wanna see the height. Yeah, light it up, baby, make it burn real bright. Cause the brighter that it burns, the faster it'll fade. And that's the foundation of the trades I've made. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. It ain't about the glory, it ain't about the fame. It's about knowing the rules to a different kind of game. While they're all looking up, my eyes are looking down. Cause that's where the real treasure in this town is found. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. King of the dip, yeah, they can have the peak. I'll take the valley every time. You know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. What's on the crypto treasury? Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm. Cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fadeaway funk. The FOMO's kick and see them lose their heads. Believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice. Cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see you topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gamble, say it's just a guess. But this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away, funky bassline and how much come down, now down. Yeah, that's the one, just like that. Fade away funk.
Green team, how are we doing? How are we doing? Yesterday, guys, what a day. What a day. It was on the competition, and thankfully so. There wasn't much that was selling off yesterday. Yes, yesterday it was the wild Wiki West out there. competition, like I said in Discord, if I was playing golf, I probably would have been on the top of the leaderboard there. But you know how that goes. You gotta, like, the guy on the top of the leaderboard had made like 400 and some thousand. So these guys, it's like go all in on your setup, and if it worked, great. If it doesn't, it sucks. And yesterday, of course, that was STI, which nearly gave me an STI. That ticker. That was a tough one. Buy high, hope higher. So, as the fadeaway funk says, though, I like these things when they start getting up here, right? We've seen this before, how the market ebbs and flows, and how the longs get their days in the market, like yesterday, and then the next day you get the FOMO traders coming in, and maybe or maybe not, it doesn't continue to work out. So, I mean, it provides clear levels of risk here. Perfect Fall, you have 3 fully funded accounts now? Holy cow. Didn't invalidate. Yeah, it seems like they've just been skimming over them lately. I don't know. I haven't heard of anyone where they've been invalidating much. Where maybe according to the rules they could. I don't know. You got a little JDZG. Yeah, same here. And yeah, that one's staying heavy, looking really weak. I was tempted there. That one I just saw recently. They came out with like an offering actually today. 8/14. August. Okay, so August 14th. They don't have much news on them. August 14th, they had the 20 million share offering. They regained compliance not that long ago. Yeah, that one's so heavy, and the chart looks really good. So I'll pull that chart up here, and we'll just start flipping through some tickers. I hit it up here around 320, I think, and wrote it down a little bit. But man, dude, leftover haven right here. Leftover haven, JDZG. Yeah, a lot of wicks, on the past chart history. Pull up the 20-year. You have 3 fully funded accounts. That's awesome. It's like, I feel like that gives you a little freedom. Some beneficial reasons I can think of for that is, having multiple is, kind of you have maybe one where you apply a little bit more risk to, one that you stay more, I don't know. It just gives you a little bit more flexibility. All right. So yeah, JDZG, this one's fairly good. It feels heavy. Feels like this one's just going to go back, honestly, to probably its previous close. Mr. Jeremy in the building. Good morning. You get so tilted at times. Yeah, it is trading. Trading does that to us. We just have to, like, as you progress on your journey, you just, like yesterday would have had me tilted on the funded. I know it would have, but I know what would have separated me from, I guess, blowing up essentially on a day like yesterday is just knowing when to step away. I mean, you just have to know, like, via experience and trader maturity, you've got to know when to call it a day, when it's just not your day. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong, because some of these tickers, if nothing's cooperating, if the sectors are just hot, you got, for instance, like we mainly, I'm taking shorts into Euphoria, but if everything's just buying high, hope, and going higher, it's just not the day. You got to, rather than digging yourself in the hole, you got to step away. Yep, Perfect Fall and I were talking about yesterday, but I know Perfect Fall is going to be right back in the saddle today, and doing well. So you just don't buy through it. Just take it. Just take the day, and because you're having big days. I mean, take the max loss day. It's what, like $250, $500, and then be right back in it, making 3, 4, 5x that the next day. Renaissance back. Yep. All right. Fades is going to be on here in a minute too. We got a lot to flip through. I'm going to be on here till 10. Then I'm going over to trade the pool from 10 to 12. It's been a busy schedule. And then Josh and I are filming the last episode of the small cap series after that. And then tomorrow morning, guys, woo, dude, so the airline I'm flying, you can like bid for first class. I didn't even know this was a thing. So you can bid for first class. It was like $7 to $85 per person, and obviously it's just me. So I just put in like the $7, and I just woke up saying, "Congrats, you are like in first class." It costs me $7 to get first class because I guess no one else bid for it. Like, great, this is sweet. So I'm gonna be having that extra leg room, that comfy seat, rolling in the payouts, getting that first class, and then I'm going to be, that flight's early, so I'm going to be with Fades tomorrow morning it's going to be a blast. It's going to be a blast tomorrow, guys. So, yeah, as Perfect Fall saying, I should be over at Fades, like, right when bell opens. The flight lands at, like, 8:30, then Uber over there. It's going to be close, so I'm going to need Fades to get a nice watch list going. Yeah, no, Perfect False. Like yesterday, should have just flipped long on everything. All right, so let's keep going. I got so many Tiggers to flip through. This is crazy. Look at my watch list over here. I got a lot. Going on here. DGen James, Road E-Lab. DGen James. Good. That's good patience on the winning side, DGen James. See? You're feeling a certain way yesterday, DGen. I saw your message in the Discord. You're feeling a certain way, feeling like trading's not for you, and then just give it a day, take a breath, just step away, and here you are. Riding the winning trade. That's how trading can be. So when it's nice and green, let's push that accelerator. All right, SSKN, this is holding up right now. It's up $1.50 to $2. Let's see what's going on here. They announced 8:15 some promising results. I haven't heard that before. Promising result. Pre-market mirage. Perfect fall. Promising results. In treating rare variants of cutaneous lymphoma, mycosis fungoides. Sounds like a short. Promising results. So, all right, 220's holding up right now. Backside, SSKN. Let's take a look left of the chart. I don't even know why I read the fundamentals. I need a translator for them. 250 is a tough resistance left. 320. So we see some upper wicks here recently as well. Just bear that in mind. So SSKN should stay heavy, really, against 270s, 80s. Looks like a decent play there. We can look for a potential pop on that towards those resistance levels. E-Lab, you rode that from 17. Yeah, that thing, good patience. That was excellent patience. Need you to sprinkle some of that patience on me today. E-Lab, good work. Good work there. What was so why was this one up this morning? I'm not seeing any news ELAB. I didn't see any on GWAV either. So I mean, let me know if are they just in that sector. Yesterday, like the batteries and the metals plays, like guys, it was nuts. So yesterday, the metals, AQMS. Look at this play. I know Fades works these after our pre-market tickers. AQMS, this metal play, got squeezed in after hours. It was already up 100% on the day and then squeezed up from additionally 10 to 27. So again, guys, I'm probably going to stab at some of these on the short side today. I mean, I want to see some profit taking. Again, like the Bulls had their day yesterday. I'm going to attempt to see if we can really work some of these on the way down. And get some of that profit taking in. Because, again, like, yeah, the Warriors and the Bulls, they're going to come out likely swinging again, but these tickers are up a lot. I mean, they're up a good chunk. DJ, you were tilted because the first day of my 25K that I'm really trying to lock in on and get it funded. Yeah, the max loss on the first day. That's awful. I mean, yeah, that plays with your mind for sure. All right, hangover play that I like a lot right now is ASPI. I like to find some of these like sleepers that nobody's looking at. That's where I find more of an edge. So I size these a little bit more when you don't have the overcrowded nature of them. ASPI, clean hangover up here. Nice green day yesterday. Slow after hours pre-market and below its previous high day and previous close. So ASPI, I'm going to work that one on the short side. Let me see what the spread is real quick on TTP for that one. I got 4 cents on Thinkorswim. ASPI. Yeah, that's pretty close. All right, that's ASPI. AQMS metals, that's like we got clear 20 resistance. Amir KD in the building. What's going on, KD? Yeah, mine thing. First day, we do stuff differently. We certainly do. I mean, it's when I was $1 away from getting funded, I mean, I just was making all kinds of mistakes. It was awful. You guys watched my funded video yesterday, or the payout? I got the payout on the way. I could have pulled the full like 400 and something that I've made so far, but I'm just gonna do this first payout and then I'm gonna grow it like 1,000 or 2,000 and then get the next payout. I guess scale it. I mean, I guess maybe scale it or get close to it. But they didn't, so far, I mean, maybe it's because they haven't actually sent it yet, the money. So far, Perfect Fall, the account is still showing the full profit. Like once they get your payout going, they remove that, right? You'll get the dip on the account. It says balance. The balance, it shows the withdrawal, but the profit target still has me that full amount. All right. Yeah, so let's keep flipping through some of these tickers. Yeah, they'll remove it once. Okay. Light.
Great vibing, man. I love this music.
Oh, are you just on the Discord or the music?
Yeah. You saw
That's
it earlier
awesome.
this morning.
Yeah, guys, if you're not in the Discord, we got Perfect Fall made the Discord for the green team. It's in the description below. You guys can listen to all the music there too. That's a good place to be vibing. How we doing, Fades?
Oh man, life is good, bro. I'm hyped up for tomorrow. I've been on a freaking tear, dude. Had another morning way above Q. Like,
oh, you're already above Q.
oh,
yeah.
dude, I was above Q at 5 o'clock this morning. Like the past couple of days, something in my gut has just been telling me to get my ass up and trade. And dude, like, I'm well on my way to my profit target on my 50K funded, guys. And I've literally haven't even traded at market hours. It's just pre and post the last couple of days, just cleaning up. So my success rate is like 70%.
Whoa.
My risk reward is only like 1-1. So it's interesting. So my chart looks different. It's not as choppy. It's not as wiki. It's more just like that textbook, what you want to see, just that pure linear progression. And yeah, that's because I've totally shut that account off during market hours, actually. So just something to note that I analyze. I'm like, wow, that's interesting. Because I have multiple accounts, right? So I've been flipping through and we had the competition, all that stuff going on and stuff. So like,
yeah, dude, congrats. You've been
if
doing so well.
Fix this. Yeah, so I'm gonna just stick to. I'll just leave that account for pre and post, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And then I'll work my 25K or some fundeds during market hours. So that's the plan.
Man. Perfect Fall's got 3 funded accounts right now. That's
Yeah,
wild,
dude,
man.
he had like a crazy day yesterday. Like that's the thing. I'm saying James was there at the right place, right time. So like those setups, like that ELAB, when it tops out and it just fades so clean in the pre-market, like those are the plays where money can really be made. Like that's where you tunnel in, you size in, and you work a winner. You know, that's my philosophy. Like I was only trading 2 tickers this morning, but I probably have about 50 executions and just a bunch of just pure profit, good risk, good reward. Um, that one as well as JDZG. I know that was a known scam. Everything up was like kind of that theme, right? The minerals, metal, blah blah blah. But JDZG was that sneaky little pump and dump that it gave us, and that thing is just a beauty this morning.
Perfect fall. I think you got a new song. Minerals, metals, and blah blah blah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, I'm down to short some blah 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 today. I think they had their fun yesterday, man. I mean, maybe day two after that massive move. Whew, that'd be interesting. What do you think? Just dabbling on some of these shorts on some of these
yeah.
plays?
I'm kind of hitting the brakes. It was a real aggressive morning, so now I'm actually still in ELAB a little bit, looking for
Okay.
it and seeing if it's going to stay heavy. It feels pretty heavy here. So I'm in small with that. Stop is 10.5 right now. So besides that, I'm gonna start looking at other players, like maybe getting some
I
backside plays going.
I got a few backside I think you'll like. So
Okay.
I
Yeah, I've
want to
been
go
really
over those.
dialed in on like those morning plays as of now, but now it's time to shift to backside. And that's like I think that's my golden process. Like focus on the shorts. Like now the Warriors are starting to really get rowdy. It's 9 o'clock. Like let them have their little fun. Let me focus on some backside setups, and then like revisit again like the pumps. Like give them a little bit of air like to breathe and stuff.
A couple backside plays. I mean, this ASPI has been trickling out. It's a hangover. I like it. I like it quite a bit for a little profit taking fade today. That one I'm monitoring. And then, dude, we gotta revisit like some of these tickers from 2 weeks ago because some of them, like this, what was it? Pep G's finally right on the freaking line. Look at this 20-day chart. 450. You remember they did the 320 offering, but she's
Hmm.
been going sideways, so it looks like it may start cracking some support.
Yeah, a
Pep
lot of
G.
sleeping fader potentials for sure. Those that NUAI and that DVLT from last week, I called in the Discord. I was keeping an eye on them. Those continued to fade into the new week. How I had that weird like
And
how crypto had that big flush. Those stocks
yeah,
both had that same big dip. They got bought up, but they've been kind of selling off since then. So
yeah. And
uh,
NUAI knows the energy play, so that's the only concern there. That with DFly, which got a
mhm.
pop like this morning. But Pally I like too. This one's still up from 72 cents, $1.80. CRML, the metal squeeze. Oh my god.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, I wish I would have went long on some of those metal plays. Like
SOPA still has room down. Look at the last time this thing shot up. It
hmm.
just sold all the way down, and now it's still in that process. So we could
Yeah, I
see
was
this
looking
thing
at
still.
that thing yesterday. Hmm.
Could see SOPA still. We could see that one still fading.
Yeah.
Uh, ONMD is a very interesting ticker as well. ONMD, that was at 92 cents last 2 Thursdays ago. It's at 280 still right now. It hit 420 on
Okay.
Friday. Yesterday got a pop to 320 and got smacked. It's got this 270 support, but under that, dude, this thing has a lot of room to fade too once it gets
Hmm.
going. A lot of room to fade, ONMD.
Okay.
I mean, I like that one. I don't.
Sweet. Um, QNRX is another one to keep an eye on. That thing has. I was looking at that yesterday.
Okay.
That's probably going to be a good one. It's like more fresh. There's more recent bag
That
holders
was
that are still online.
Friday's. That was Friday's crazy play.
Yeah, bag holders are probably still getting unwound there a little bit. Down 7% today, so that's a good sign too.
James
Um,
STI. I mean, I like if I'm doing anything there, I'm probably sprinkling just like a half position short against previous close. It's probably still going to be a little crowded today, so probably less edge.
yeah,
But I mean, I like it. I mean, it's a hangover, but it's just a lot of.
Hmm. It's I think STI is probably going to stay heavy big picture and fade.
Okay.
But that play. So I overnighted it. I covered early this morning for a decent gain, and then it kind of consolidated. It got weak, and then it had that random like $8 spike, which was crazy. Like all of a sudden, it went from 16 to 26. A $10 spike, guys, in pre-market, 6 o'clock this morning. But if you look and zoom in on the time frame, it's been super bearish since then. Like it's like the
Hmm.
bearish algo just flipped. Like that was like the final liquidation, and it looks big picture very bearish. So I like STI for a small size short. You know, just give it plenty of room, especially here at
Yeah.
Bell. Maybe just don't even touch it till 10. You know, kind of thing, because it probably will get a little manipulation. But that's going to be on elevator watch for sure. STI definitely going to be on my radar.
SSKN spiking up right now. This one's getting the Warriors on it. Yeah, I think the Warriors are going to get fresh new names today, and some of these plays from yesterday are going to. I mean, I think STI had actually some news on it, so it's like maybe it holds up.
Yeah, I think they did have like AI news, so that's the thing that's giving it that life, right?
Yeah.
So that's we're not
But
a
what
few.
about the metals? Like the metals, are we going to profit take? Because those just, I mean, they just had such a large move.
I was looking. Wait, is Green Wave a metal or is that just energy? Because that one started to look like it was going to give it up, but it got strong again. That GWAV, I almost started to stab at it for short, but then it kind of reclaimed. That's
Yeah, I'm
one of
not sure.
today's. I
Green
don't know.
wave.
It's either green or metals. Like one of those themes is going to pump.
I think
JDZG.
it's metal.
It gets
Yeah,
any
it's metal.
sloppy levels. It's such a scammy stock with no news. JDZG, like
I
that thing is
know.
probably going to continue to stay heavy. Like I always preach like don't focus too much on stocks that aren't up 50% or whatever. But when you have like a China dump like that, we all know it's a scam. Like how many longs are going to sit there and stay convicted, telling themselves to buy it up? So like that thing could continue to fade. STI, I'm think I might even stab a little bit now, just very small size and give it
I
a
was
bunch
thinking the same thing, but
of
I
it.
didn't want to sound like a degen, but I'll take it with you.
Yeah, the spread. I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna switch over to my 25K for market hours. So, but I am gonna take a swing position in my 50K right now and just set my stops on STI as well as ELAB, guys. So I'm still in ELAB and STI, big picture, small size into Bell.
Okay, small size starting STI. And oh, ELBM. Is that what you said?
ELAB.
ELAB. ELBM I did want to ask
Really
you about.
heavy at 10.5 ELAB. Okay, what's that? ELBM? That was a battery one, right?
Yeah, it's up a lot too.
Yeah, so let's see. And that's the thing. Like once these plays start to give, then they'll probably really give, right? It's probably a domino effect, I would imagine.
Right, among the
So
whole
maybe
sector.
so let's just monitor them, but not get
Here's
in front of the action either. But yeah, it's just God, all these plays up so much.
here's what I'd recommend, guys, because I've made this mistake before. Do not like short every one of these names because they could move together, right? Like
Exactly.
pick a battery or pick a metal, but not all of them. I've done
Yeah.
that before where I'm shorting them all and then they all move together in
Yes.
that sector and it sucked.
That's a
So-
really good point. That's a really good point. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean STI is very spready and it's going to be choppy at Bell. So just feeler size right now, kind of thing.
ELBM, I'm so tempted on a short even there for market. I mean, look
Yeah,
at this
it's starting
chart,
to
dude.
kind of give that like.
It had that
It's-
zombie hour squeeze, and reclaiming that's going to be a lot to ask for.
Mhm.
I mean, it already hit this resistance 720. 720's clear there. ELBM. I mean, I like it, dude. For backside right here, I'm probably gonna start stabbing at that one.
Okay. ELBM, yeah, it's given risk levels. VWAP is turning down at VWAP right now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm starting ELBM too, guys. STI ELBM. I'll have positions on. that'll probably be about it till the Open, and then we'll see what happens. But SSKN was getting the pump. Be mindful of that one. It's still pumpy right now. They have promising data. Fades. Promising. Can you believe we're gonna be trading together in the morning?
I know, man. It's wild.
Yeah,
Time flies, man. It's crazy.
yeah. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I wanna have a good day tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go super slow because we don't want to have a red day.
I know. Oh no.
Yeah, it's all good.
Oh, ELBM already kind of working out.
Okay, nice. Yeah,
Might
it
have
is.
to
Oh,
size that. Might have to size that one.
Is it going to start to like? What if that's the one that
Ooh.
starts the domino effect? Not to give anyone FOMO or even you, but like we said, it's like one's going to dump and it'll probably be aggressive, and then they'll probably all start to dump. So that's, I mean, that could be a theme that
Short 'em
really
all.
stays. Yeah, that could really be. It's like that one day where all those it was the same theme that all the energy plays are rationally pumped like 300%, and I was just like, okay, like this is not going to stay like this. I need to just like get involved a little bit here, like sprinkle
Mhm.
here, just a little bit of sprinkling, like paid so much. Yeah. So
Yeah, I know. Just sprinkle a little bit. Let her do her thing.
the power of leftovers when we see some of these stocks give it up, because I mean we're getting involved. These runners, these things have moved hundreds of percent. So a leftover position can really get paid on it.
Mhm. All right, what are you eyeballing into the bell?
Yeah.
Joseph,
So
good morning. Good to see you in here.
yeah, what have you guys been trading so far? So for me at Bell, I'm keeping an eye on eLab and STI. I'm invested in both of those short right now. JDZG, I feel like there's definitely going to be more meat to pick
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Keeping an eye on the general battery theme. As far as a true hangover, I think
Ah, shit.
QNRX. Let me see.
ASPI still. I mean, that one's the hangover, and she's
Nah.
been trickling down.
Yeah, QNRX is I don't know. It's you're gonna have to have like tight risk levels because it's just so wide the range that it's been on. But probably will stay heavy. STI looks like it's working out.
ASPI's the hangover I want to get involved with, but I'm not, guys. Just
ASPI.
involved with.
Okay.
Yeah, ASPI. I like that against pretty much 13, like 40s, 50s. I mean, tight
Let me
for
see
a-
it. Yeah.
for a full day fade.
Okay.
Yeah, those things fade usually.
Yeah, if we can get the right risk levels, I mean, these hangovers tend to be fruitful, or if anything, just kind of hang around.
AQMS metals. I mean, I might dabble with one of the metals. Look at this AQMS. It's cracking under a little line of support I got right now.
Yeah. Keep that one and the ELBM on watch, like the battery and the metals. See like what the theme's gonna do. That G wave as well. It's more like King of Day-ish. It's got more volume.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, that move yesterday on that play, man, was wild. Or not G Wave. G Wave, certainly that one is holding up. What? So GWAV, if anyone has the news on that, I'm not seeing anything. It is a metal, so maybe it's just that AQMS, GWAV, and
Yeah.
CRML. I guess probably just metals. What was the G play? The G play yesterday.
I don't know.
It was G something.
GLTO. Or that was an old one. That's another one that can be a potential. Let me see. It's still up. So GLTO is up 250%.
GWH. Yeah, GWH.
Okay. I think did I trade that one?
GWH, that one went from 6 to like
Yeah,
14.
GWH. Yeah, that one's been strong.
So strong.
Multi-day runner. Yeah, multi-day runner.
Got the battery play too, it looks like.
Electra battery. Yep. So STI.
Yeah, I want to size one of these. ELBM, STI, one of those.
Yeah, those are like the three like kind of big king, like the 5-day kings. They're all up like hundreds of percent. That water company is still up, and it's kind of bearish right now. We're actually really bearish. It's
EWAV
only
just
50 cents. Ah, we just missed it, dude. That
what?
scammy little water SCWO. Just a little late to the party on that one.
SCWO.
Yeah, yeah, it's still up.
Well, I hit that one at $1 something the other day.
Oh, nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
that thing's been hanging over. It's still up 100% in 5
Oh,
days.
you'll love this one. EDHL. You'll like this one. She's up, coming up on 100%. Penny play.
Did it just come up?
Yeah, it just started popping up. It's getting
Sure.
volume, but we'll have to monitor it. It's heading up towards $1.
Let me
$1.20 is going to
refresh
be.
the scanner. Yeah, let me see. Make sure we're not missing anything coming in too. Yeah, because I mean that's been the theme, really, dude. Like that's what's been paying. I mean the hangovers pay, but what's been really paying is these plays that are just backside that are just working well. Like that's
Yeah.
where real money's been made. Like these mornings, like making way over Q, like it's just these big fades that just keep fading, and we don't see like that drastic of those moves with backside. Backside is more of like the high success rate, kind of safe, sprinkle on them play. But if we got a fresh pump to fade, it's up hundreds of percent. That's really where I want to put more attention.
Yeah, SSKN's probably going to be where a lot of the chat rooms go. Traders, just FYI.
Okay, EDHL, I'm seeing it now. Yeah, that's a skin company, up 70%. Didn't that thing just pump too? That SSKN. I think it might have.
We sell skin.
QNRX is trickling lower, but that's kind of a weird one. I don't know.
JDZG, dude, it feels like a good chase.
Yeah, this thing's a freaking scam, dude. Is 2.5 going to give up again? It's just so weak.
They offeringed out in August too, and almost got delisted.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So, any pop there up towards like 280s even.
I don't even think it's going to happen, to be honest.
You
That's what I'm saying. It's so scammy that it's just like everyone knows it. As long as you're just like, oh man, not again. Like,
ELBM working, guys. Let's get it.
nice. Good stuff.
That could be an all-day fade or two, even though they're battery. These plays that were strong yesterday, we could get all-day fades on them.
Yeah, dude, that thing's up 400% in 5 days. I mean, good eye there. Like the risk reward, set your levels and ride or ride out. Good work.
Yep.
And that could be the beginning of the end for the longs. And you just get comfortable there and slowly skip your stop down. Drag that thing down as it drops. And that's how you work your winners, right? Like it becomes sweat free when you just get in at a good level on a downtrend, and you just slowly drag your stop down and just work it. Just let that thing milk.
GWH is interesting to me as well, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to short. I don't think multiple like in the same sector.
Yeah, both of those are up a lot. So
it's tempting. It is tempting. I mean, if they're both working, why not?
Is GWH starting to get a little heavy too?
Yeah. I mean, you know how I am as a short seller. Everything looks heavy. Against 12, it looks good.
Yeah.
Against 12, it looks good.
ELBM is starting to kind of get a little shaky for longs here. 6, 6 is going to
I'm
be
happy there.
how it reacts to that 6 level is going to be interesting. ELAB just super sleepy, which that's what we like to see as shorts. It's like the longs probably aren't going to try to convince themselves to go back there. They might, but
I don't know if I have. What sector is ELAB?
I think it's like medical. I think we're safe there. Let me see.
But we don't know what the news was.
I think here. Let me see. I think I read the news earlier. Yeah, that's a good point. Let me recheck that.
Well, I'm just asking because like you're good with leftovers, but it kind of feels way off for me to get involved there. I mean, but
yeah, it's just off. Well, it looks like it did a liquidation sweep all the way to 9.4 and just bought back up. That's annoying. Yeah. that could be a bottom signal. But the 10.5 off the 10.5 has been gold. Like that was a good risk level. It hasn't wiggled much from there, but it just put in a big old wick at 9.4 and bought up. So um, I saw a 10.5 area and just shorted from there, and it hasn't done much. So they have, let's see,
Uzo's trading the skin.
I think they're just
SSK.
Bios.
2 strikes. You got 2 strikes. Okay, so third one and you're out. Yeah, good. I mean, that's good
Yeah, I like
awareness there.
Yeah, that's pretty good because it keeps yourself in check, right? To just not keep hitting it and be stubborn. It's like I'm gonna take 3 good swings. Like if not, I'm out and I'll come back to bat again.
I
Wait,
think that was, I pointed that out in Discord. That's why the guys, I know some of
That's
you are
really-
joining the Discord this morning. It's very valuable.
Yeah, for sure.
So jump in there. Like I think that yesterday, like my analysis was pretty spot on there. Like if you have got to step away, like on a day like yesterday. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. So just try it a couple times and move along. There's a fresh pump right now, SBLX, and this thing is
Nice.
Wick Haven. Oh my God, this thing is Wick Haven.
SBLX.
Degenerate James, third swing and then start sizing up on the 4th and 5th.
ELBM, man. The Battery Warriors, are they going to capitulate?
820 is really good, guys. SBLX. Yeah, you check this out. Fades SBLX.
Okay, I see it. Up 30%.
820.
100 million stable coin investment strategy.
Oh, bring in the old news back.
Yeah, tempting, but overall it's only up 30%, so I'm not
Yeah.
too here yet, just off that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tempting. I think these wicks that I'm seeing, I'll spotlight the chart. A lot of wicks, even up towards like 8 to 10, really. There's
Yeah,
a
it
lot
could
of
just be
wicks
like
there.
a baby pump and dump. Yeah, I mean, it could wash out right now.
So monitoring that.
Looks like ELAB. I missed my exit there. That 9.4 liquidity sweep. Now it reclaimed all that. I'm gonna get out. I think. Let me see.
All right, 5 minutes before the market opens up, traders.
Now it just went to 10.49. Are they gonna sweep it back down? STI just sleepy slow, guys. That could be one that they just say, you know what, we're done with this. Just dump it at the bell. Like it could be one of those just bell dumps.
Just
It could just be
dumping at the
wishful
bell.
thinking. Might just be wishful thinking on my part, but
Well, dude, it's triple topped up there at 26.7. I mean,
exactly.
is
Like
it a 4th round? I
it
don't know.
looks like they revealed themselves that this is the bearish trend now, and it's like it's everything is pointing to a bear trend. Like it's textbook bearish, bro. I just don't want to get too biased, guys. Don't size anything too much at Bell. That's how to blow your account 101. Or even if you don't realize it, but it's like you take a couple paper cuts at Bell on some manipulation and stuff, and that just sets a bad tone for the rest of your trading day. It's like all the
Right.
little things matter when you're trading. Like all the little things create success or failure. So it's like be aware of where, just be aware of all of that.
That's very true. How to blow your account 101. You need to start a series. But
Seriously.
yeah, that's right. I mean, the mindset is everything. That we've been pointing that out in chat. Like you start red, and that I hate starting red, but
Mhm.
I hate going green to red too.
Yeah, pre-market has been really great, man. It's just it sucks waking up that early, but I think it's worth it. Like a couple days of the week. I think like what I've realized, I don't want to be up super early on like a Monday morning because it's like it's a fresh week and things can change, But like you can kind of get more of a vibe of like the week and the sentiment midweek. So
Mhm.
like today, Tuesday, it's like a good day to wake up early and kind of take advantage of some of this action. But
Yeah,
it's depends. Each day it really depends.
Saw your alerts this morning like 4 a.m. So guys, join the Discord. Fades is up.
Not always, but when I have that hunch, when I got that gut feeling, I'm gonna do it. So
GWH 12 is heavy right now.
Elab, Elab fading now.
Dude, RGT. Oh, Elab's fading. RGTZ was the IPO that faded all day yesterday, dude. 16 to like 8.
Oh man, I missed that one.
Man,
Yeah, Elab is just Elab looks like it might be confirming for pressure lower now. That chart, they just did. This thing's probably toast, guys. Elab, sitting in that one, sitting in STI. What else we got? Fresh pumps. How are they doing?
ELBM I was in, but it's bouncing off a 6 pretty hard, so I'm just going to monitor that bell.
Yeah, it's right there. Some EMA is a crucial level there.
I'll give it to like, I don't know, 650 or so.
STI, good darling. See, seriously, dude, STI is one of those plays that like they could just offer.
Let's focus let's focus on bell, because STI we could size. If she's really looking good out of the bell.
Fade, dude. Like it really looks like a fader. It really does.
Hello, Joseph. I love that, man. The dedication. Love it. All right, guys. We got today's going to be active. STI, Fades and I are both in a small feeler short. But if that thing is going to crack and like haul it down, like I plan on hitting it with some more shares out of the gates if it starts looking really weak. So let's just monitor this bell. There's a lot going on. SSKN was a fresh pump. SBLX fresh pump. There's just a lot going on. And the market's about to open on up, guys. So let's get it. Fade's happy to be trading alongside you.
Yeah, man.
Today.
Getting my portal set up here. Yeah, I'm just kicking in these. Let's see. Did I lag out here? Oh Lord.
No, you're still in here. I'm watching STI to see if I want to hit this one again. If it looks weak, I may.
Portal. JVZG getting a little love at Bell.
We could hit that one. Yeah.
Bell bag holder audition, like the classic. Careful with it. It's so junky though. It can also squeeze over convicted shorts. I don't really want to touch it right now. I don't really want to touch anything right now. I want to just sit in what I'm in, which is STI and Elab.
ELBM profit taking a little bit. Battery play.
Okay.
Back down towards 6. That one's flopping around a bit.
It needs to stay heavy there at 6.
It's flopping around a bit. I'd like to size it, but
I'd wait for it to stay heavy at 6. Like you want to stop printing 6s, get back under 5s, give you some confirmation there probably. It's gonna be a key level. Elab, slow trickle lower, guys.
EDHL, little penny play, 80 cents is definitely a play. Let's monitor the dollar there. SSK
Elab Hot Watch. Which one? Is it
I think SSKN I was bringing up.
Okay. See if it reclaims that or not. STI lower, bro.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add a little bit, don't overdo it. We took our starter. I'm just gonna very small. I get 20% of my position add, just a little something, just a little more juice.
Yeah, I'm with you on it.
Elab flush to 9. Is it going to come back? That could turn into a warrior play here. Over 10 is going to be concerning.
What was that pop on STI?
Bring my Yeah, it's spready. Just careful. Real careful with the sizing on it. If it turns around and get away from you. JZDG, dude. JZDG. I called that.
Okay. We got to hit it. I got to hit it. I got to hit it.
Over convicted short squeeze.
JDZG, I'm smacking that one, guys.
Yeah, careful, but that could be a good sloppy.
I think against like
I'm gonna do against that wicket. Just put in at 296 is my stop. I just took a starter off 296. That top wicket just put in.
I feel like that one's on like definite elevator watch once it sells off, but
Yeah, but they might wicket over 3 here and blast it higher. So I just took a starter there. Stops 296. You
Alright.
can scale it too if you want, but I don't know, man. The nature of this market, like I don't want to. I don't
I
want
got
to play.
296 as well.
Yeah, I don't want to play it into a halt up. So if they continue to pump it, y'all can have it for now, and I'll just revisit.
That's good. Wise. JDZG, is it about the elevator down?
STI is still heavy, still fine there. SBLX, your ELBM is sitting there at 6. ELAB is staying good for me. Sleepy heavy.
JDZG's flopping around like crazy.
ACGG looks fine now as long as it doesn't keep pushing back to higher. It can just flop around or fade from here after that pop. I mean, if it starts to stay stagnant here, you could size it a little bit off that same risk level if you wanted. But
STI, bro.
is it halting? That looks like it might be a halt, bro. No.
No.
ELAB working. Let's go, dude.
GWH. Oh boy, did that one dump?
ELAB washout. Let's go, bro.
GW. God dang it, dude! I should have taken them all.
ZDG squeezing, bro. Probably gonna take a paper cut there, and that's fine. You know, the risk is managed, it's set. If that's gonna be the little stupid play that they take shorts money, then whatever. Like I'm not oversized.
I almost got stopped there, but that
The 296, right?
yeah, 296.
Yeah, that wick. Yeah, just off that wick. It's like if they set the top there, I'll
It
respect
feels heavy, dude. That thing just got rejected hard though.
Yeah, so it's like you could add a little bit to it and keep your stop there.
ELBM working great. STI working well. Profit taking day, boys. Profit taking day. We called it.
ELAB Wasteland.
Oh my god, this is a beauty.
Dude, I'm so close to. Oh my god, they're about to shut my account down. I think, bro.
For what?
Hit my profit target.
All right, I took half off ELBM just for why not. I'm gonna set an adjusted stop and kick back there.
STI looks like it's halting down, boys. Is it? Yeah, I think it's dumping. Let's go.
JDZG selling off now.
Holder
JDZ.
traditions. JZGG.
I hope tomorrow morning goes like this. Oh man.
Dude, if it doesn't, that's fine because I've had a freaking crazy couple of days. Like I'm fine
Yeah.
just chilling up. I'm kind of like that might work out perfect because I might not be able to trade tomorrow with the way this is going. I hate how they pause your account once you hit your profit target. Like that's annoying. I couldn't even take a payout, so I'm just gonna build my buffer up and then take a bigger payout when I can.
I'm having analysis by paralysis right now. So
What are you
much going
thinking?
on.
Yeah, don't overthink it. I mean, I'm in 3 plays that are working well, so I got my hands
Same.
full. I don't need to even worry about anything else, right?
Right.
It's fine to tunnel in on green. Like, just don't tunnel in on red. Like, that's what I always preach. Like, a lot of my money is made on one ticker, like multiple trades, like working over well. Like, that's where you get paid.
I'm a little pissy about GWH though, because I said I was heavy against 12 and she halted down, dude. That would have been such a damn good winner.
Keep an eye on the tab, see if it's gonna break here or if I want to cover.
But I'm in 3 good winners right now: STI, JDZG, and ELBM. So
Okay. Covered ELAB for now. Secure the bag because I'm kind of occupied. And JZZG is a freaking scam, dude. This thing's going lower.
Don't be over convicted now.
No, I'm not. I'm not even in that bit.
I know, I'm just messing.
I didn't even add to it. I should have.
My average is awful on it, but a 276. I mean, but that thing really is on elevator watch to like 230, right? I mean, that thing.
I covered ELAB back at 9. Looks like it might have been a good call there. I like 9.3 covered. JDZG off that 296 wick. Seems good. STI, sleepy fade. A lot of room on STI, guys. Like that thing, that's like payout account passer type short. Like, don't get over convicted though. Don't get over convicted. But like that's the type of thing. Like when a play like that works and you stick with it and you work your winner well, like that can be because there's so much room. Like it came from $5 to 20. Like JZDG, man. Yeah, don't
I'm considering taking it off if it starts getting back close to 290 because I just
like 291 now maybe.
Yeah.
2 wicks of that 296. So I'm seeing a 28 now. Is he gonna hold it? I'm gonna add off that 28. If that 28 disappears, I'll scale out a little bit. I'm adding off the 28 wall there. Okay, it's gone. It might be pumping again, bro.
I'm gonna take it off. I'm taking it off. JDZG. All good. All good.
I'm just leaving my initial idea of the 296 because I'm not in that big, so it doesn't really matter. It's a paper cut. I'd rather give it that risk because I'm like long-term bias. I think it's a scam.
I do want to hit it again. Like if that thing shoots up to 320, I want to. I do.
Yeah, there's a lot of sellers at 2.8, bro. Careful, don't get topped out here.
I already took it off.
Okay, I'm seeing a lot of sellers, but that can change quickly. So let's see. Yeah, 296. I'm not going to tunnel in on it. ELAB pumping. Wow, I'm glad I covered there. ELBM is working, bro. You still on that?
Yep.
Nice.
Still on ELBM.
That one looks good. It's starting to really give it up. Might even have to get involved in the trend and just very small size if it's going to hold up because, yeah, the thing's down 20%, man. There goes JDZG. Freaking piglet.
Yeah, that was a mistake probably on my part.
It's all right, bro.
ELBM working well.
It's better to be cautious than like aggressive.
GWH is so sad. I'm so sad there. STI could be a payday if that one actually starts profit taking.
Yeah, I don't want to give back gains either, though. It's just hard to bring a risk level. Maybe like 19s now or 20.
Yeah, I brought it down into the 19.
Just give it like a crazy amount of room either, like because I'm already green on it, right? It's very wicky, very spready, but yeah, JDZG. Interesting 2.8s here. If all these sellers at 2.8 are real, or if they're gonna, I don't see this thing pumping, but anything's possible in this market, as we all are aware of.
Oh yeah.
ELAB, maybe it's sloppies, but oh wow, ELBM, dude, that thing's really working. Man, do I chase this? Can I even chase this? Is the bigger question. It might have faded too much, too soon, like to actually chase it, huh?
ELBM, yeah, she's good, man. She's a nice girl right now.
What about the other plays? Are they getting faded as well? The other energy plays. Let's see, what do we have on the list? Green Wave. What's Green Wave doing? ELAB. Dang, dude. ELAB just pumped and dumped, guys. Super wiki action on ELAB. JZDG getting a pump, man. Good eye there. Looks like it might not be done. It's trying to put another wick in at that same level we were at. Let's see if that stays true. My coffee maker going.
I need STI to stay heavy. Like my adjusted stop, I'm bringing down to like 19. I feel like I'm gonna get wicked out of that though. I was wanting this thing to profit take, stay heavy, similar to ELBM.
JZDG.
Yeah, I just got wicked out.
Which one? STI?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, my stop's still up there. I'm putting it at like 19, mid-19s.
GWH opened up.
JZDG just put in another wick there at 9.6, dude. 3 wick rejection now for JZDG.
I think it's on elevator watch, honestly. I'm going to hit it again, like half, and then go again. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to size it, honestly, to 320 for this one. But go in a little smaller.
I can see them doing like that little BS sweep to like 311 and then just hammer it down, like something like that.
Right.
Yeah.
It feels like they're prepping it maybe for a little liquidity move and then dump. So
Yeah.
JDZG in that one. I took ELBM off. I mean, I took all that one off.
Okay, nice. Good trade there.
Thank you.
So as far as Kings of the Day, that green wave theme is still pumping. ELAB is chopping, probably heavy here, guys, after that move. Like it trapped the Warriors and now it's heavy. ELAB, bro, is maybe to like get involved very small size, because how much that thing's still up hundreds of percent. And it's looking heavy. I mean, it's very rangy. It feels kind of chasey.
What would
now.
the stop be on that? Like 11?
Yeah, it's going to have to be like a real small position and give it a lot of wiggle room and then kind of let it confirm or add to it. But like the bigger picture ELAB, it's probably going to be heavy. JZDG just pumped, bro.
Yeah,
See,
I'm slow.
Okay, you're in
I'm
it.
slow scaling it. Yeah.
So I got stopped out at that 296, and now I'm going to reassess and see what I want to do here.
I'm sizing it against 320.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'd hate to get too convicted here and give up a bunch of paper cuts. Like, but this thing should be. There it goes. There it goes. You shitty.
I'm sorry, dude. We both could feel that this was about to happen too.
We called that. We literally called it.
I literally right before I was like, they're gonna do a liquidity move and then shoot this thing straight down. Yeah. It balled up kind of off of that. We'll see. It should stay heavy off of that 320.
Yeah, this thing's a freaking junk stock, dude.
I'm gonna hit it some more here.
Yeah, I liked it though. That little sweep.
And then I'm gonna set the stop against
I mean, this
320.
thing's probably headed to 220 now.
Yeah.
But yeah, again, don't get over convicted. Don't get oversized.
Yeah, 320 stop in. I'm a little heavier on it though after that. All right, let me flip through a few. Crazy wiki action on that thing.
Yeah, piece of junk, dude. We saw that. We read that thing like a freaking.
GWAV higher.
Okay, yeah, that thing's getting pumpy.
STI, I got wicked out of that one just for it to work, so that's annoying.
Yeah, I think bigger picture there, like I've been calling for. I like that one.
JDZG, really?
Yeah, the algorithm's trying to squeeze this thing, dude. What a way! Oh my god, that's just so disgusting.
It should have been done at this point. After that sell-off,
Yeah.
it should be heavy.
Yeah, 3 breaks again. Seller just stepped up at 291. If that wall gets bought, it's probably gonna be time to cover. Let's see. And it looks like it did get bought. There's a lot of volume right now, bro. I'd say probably even back over 3 at this point. You don't want to give it too much risk.
Yeah, I'm slightly annoyed with it right now.
Yeah, this thing's a freaking piece of shit. It's gonna end up in a haul down, dude. And STI is probably just the sleepy, easy fade of the day. It's kind of what it feels like.
Yeah, after that sell-off on JDZG, you really don't want to reclaim it like that.
No, that thing is just so like that's ridiculous, dude. That's just like bell penny manipulation, like 101. Like a 2-6 to 3-1 wick in like 1 minute, a 1 minute, or what was it? No, 5 minute candle. Yeah, that's brutal, man. Brutal. But like big picture, this is like a very wicky sloppy seconds pop is what it feels like. So that's what we're playing off of. And bigger picture, 2.5 can give up quick here, and it can go back to like $2, $2.20. So there's a decent amount of meat on this play.
Oh, for sure. I like it big picture, for sure. Are you going to get wicked out in the meantime is the question.
Yeah, we read that liquidity sleep well, dude. Didn't I say like a sweep to 311 and back then it like went to 310 and the Swift went down? Like we know these
But good job putting the risk management on. I mean, shit happens.
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I mean, I took a paper cut. It's all good. I made money on it. I took 2 paper cuts on it. So I mean, if it gets back over 3 and stops me out again, then I'm just gonna have to let the Warriors have fun with it. I mean, again, like the 3 strikes you're out. I hit the ball earlier, but then if I strike out, I gotta wait.
Put a 315 stop on it. I mean,
I got half and half, 301 and 311. Here we go, a little seller stepping up.
If we do get the elevator down, it's gonna be a good day. JDZG, come on. You know you
like
want it.
2 9s. Like we don't even want to see 2 9s now. Like
I
put in
know.
3 wicks at that 2-9 level. Or this would be the 4th wick rejection at that 2.95 range. So
what is holding this up,
they
dude?
finally just that sweep, dude. Like that was the sweep, man. Like that was pretty much our confirmation. It's just we can't get over bias. Like big picture, it just did what we wanted to see. Like it swept, and look at
Here
that.
we go. We come on, stay heavy this time though. Stay heavy on the
Sized in
elevator
big,
down.
go ahead and take a little bit off to ease your mind. If you're sized in big,
Yeah, big picture play, bro. Big picture play.
yeah. You're like, I'm tired of seeing you and fall on big days. I'm ready for my day.
I'm ready for a 4Q day.
You're like, damn it, James had a 4Q day.
Yeah.
Yeah, good work, James. By the way, man, great, good way to bounce back. I respect the hell out of it, getting up early, as did I. And that classic thing, like I said, guys, early bird gets the worm. Like that setup this morning was so fruitful. And I've always thought, like in my head, it's like, man, like getting up that early in the morning, you just feel like you have such an edge. Like it was dicey because not using stops, right? But now we have stops, so it's like I feel very good, like getting up early, shorting these plays. Just manage your risk, It's like don't
It
ever.
still feels dicey to me because those stops, like they just the 4 a.m. pumps, and then one time I put the stops in and it wasn't hitting me. So
Yeah, it's if you're trading plays with a lot of volume, you're going to be better off, right? Like if you're dealing with the backside plays and there's not much volume and they're more spready.
halt down, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna take a piece off 250. Come on. Let's get a halt. Do not buy up here. Oh my God, do not buy up here.
Waiting for the hawk down. I took a third off at
Same,
270.
yeah.
I mean, I didn't get the best.
250.
That's okay. So I did smack it a decent little bit there. Waiting for the whole thing.
All you need is the one or two, right? I mean, we saw this one and we were salivating over it, but it's like I'm proud of you for still having the stop on. I felt bad when I heard the beep because I'm like, oh, like you
Yeah.
know it, it's about to drop, but
Yeah, but it's
stuck.
dude. I make, like I said, bro. I make so many executions, like 50, 100 executions for that reason. I'll take quick paper cut, and it's no emotions. It's like, okay, like that's a good loss. Like I protected myself. Let me reassess it, and I stuck with it. And I do that a lot of times, guys. I mean, I'll take a few paper cuts before I get like a big dinner, and that's okay. Like, I'll take a couple scratches for the feast, right? Like that's fine.
Right.
I like my philosophy.
I like that. I'm gonna have a feast tomorrow over there
Yeah,
at your place.
man, we're gonna have to.
What you
We
making?
definitely got to celebrate it now. Sushi.
Oh,
All you
let's
can
go.
eat sushi bender.
All you can eat sushi. Okay, was this is this good sushi? If it's all you can eat,
Yeah,
is it
well,
good?
it's
All right.
not cheap. So hopefully we have a green day, or maybe if
Okay.
we have a profit target, maybe I'll treat you. But yeah, things are expensive down here in the city, man, in Florida.
Yeah.
Taxed, bro. Like every time I go see my parents in North Georgia, I'm like, everything's so cheap. Like good old Southern country cooking, like cheap meals. Like down here, everything's like you go out to eat anywhere, it's like 15, 20 bucks. I feel like it's crazy.
hmm Yeah. Yep. I mean, the touristy area,
Yeah, yeah. Pros and cons.
And how far are you from the airport again?
Like 15 minutes, dude.
Oh, that's gonna be perfect.
And then it's like 20 from like Disney and all that. So everything shouldn't be more than like 20 minutes away from us. Maybe 30.
You're gonna have to get the watch list going in the morning because I'm gonna be like I'm gonna be sweeping up on in there at like the last second, probably.
Yeah. Man, this morning has been so good, dude. It almost feels like surreal. Yeah,
JDZG heavy now. I mean, I'm just gonna let that one work, and then let me flip through some more. JWAV. You're watching that one too. Oh, EDHL did hit over $1. I
you're
didn't
playing
should have had an order.
Yeah, what have you guys been playing? Me and Kevin have been dialed in, but
SSKN, the Warriors. That they tried it, but that one's
guys, Elab, big picture. I've been calling that Elab, so it gave that perfect little sloppy level, like back circling back to that name. That's gonna be on Elevator Watch, guys. Elab. JDZG, I imagine it stays heavy from here. I'd hate to see a reclaim though. The 10 cents is kind of problematic.
yeah. I know. I'm like about to have to take it all because
And
I
like you
took
could,
the third.
yeah. So you could take it all now and then re-smack it, because it's like it'll probably give 10 more cents. But if not, you could set a tight stop and not worry about like giving profit or not giving.
Right.
Like, that's kind of how I would play it. Let me see if I've scaled out. Sometimes you need to go to the hub before you even do that to just like calculate, make sure you get your 10 cents.
I got the 275 stop in. GWH even lower, man.
STI honey hole. That
Oh,
thing's
damn
just
it.
a
Don't tell
beauty.
me that.
James, are you paid out yet? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But great work today, James. You had your eye on STI. That was definitely a winning trade there. And you were working the other play with me this morning. I don't think I even called it out in Discord, but
STI is painful for me. That was too tight, but it's all good.
Elab.
GWH halted down. I mean, dude, we called this action. Called it.
Everything's fading now. Oh my god, bro!
What?
I didn't know ELBM was down at $4.50.
Oh shit!
Dude.
I took all that at like 540.
Yeah, like it's give it
Mistakes.
up, man. This is freaking bag holder day. ELAB, guys. ELAB on halt watch. Elevator watch.
GWAV halting down. I think it just
Oh
halted
my
down.
God, dude.
GWAV. Yeah.
Here
Yeah.
we go with all this again.
JDZG lower.
Yep, JZDG,
Hey,
good girl. I'm taking
ED
ELAB. Taking dude, this is getting chaotic, bro.
EDHL at highs. EDHL at highs. $1.20. It's coming up to $1.20.
Dude,
EDHL.
I don't even think I want to deal with that. There's so many plays that are holding down and fading. I don't even want to get in front of something right now. Like
I know.
JDCG paying, STI paying, that little play you were working, ELB,
JDZG working.
ELAB about to break down. I mean, we got action, guys. This is crazy. They're about to cut me off.
This is great. EDHL, I don't know, man. I mean, this is at the $1.20. I might. I feel like I might have to do something here.
Waiting for the halt down. Give me that siren, bro.
I got to go over to TTP, dude.
Oh my God! All right, bro.
I'll see you in the morning.
For you, man. Yeah.
We're
we'll be
having
in
fun
touch.
in here.
Yeah, we'll be in touch. Great work today, man. Protect the profits and yeah, good work all. Stay safe out there.
Yeah. We'll talk to you guys soon. Join the Discord if you haven't. It's free in the description below. We'll be posting there throughout the day.